Welcome to another guided meditation designed to just get to sleep. At this time of the day, at this point in your life, nothing else is necessary. All of your other cares, all of your other concerns, everything at this point is just secondary to a good night's sleep. So relax. Take a breath. Breathe in deeply. Fill your belly with life-giving oxygen. Feel it expand, and then breathe out. Let all of the negativity, all of the worry, all of the chaos, and all of the uncertainty just leave. Breathe. Feel the air coming in now. The only thing that matters right now, at this time, is to relax. Let it all go. And understand that the most important thing you can do right now is nothing. Nothing except relax. Enjoy where you are in your life, no matter what's going on. Because right now, you're lying in bed. You're safe. Your only concern right now is getting some sleep. So take a breath. Feel it coming into your body and then leaving. The cycle is beautiful. It's magic. It's all your body needs right now. Everything else is just not important. Breathe. Feel the air coming in and then going back out again. It's beautiful. We can guide our breathing. We can let it fill our body. We can breathe into whatever part of our body we want. It's just magic. And yet, it's a magic power that we have, that we can use, and that you can use right now. Breathe in deep. And as you exhale, feel all of your muscles loosen, let go, and sink a little bit deeper into your bed as you find yourself releasing all of the negative energy and focusing on positive happiness. Because where you are right now, all you need to do is sleep. It's wonderful.